Hi, everybody. This is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. I was fortunate once again to have Tom Luongo, and we're going to be talking what's happening in Europe, what's happening in the Ukraine, how does Roe v. Wade play into all of this, Turkey, Finland, and lots more. We're also going to be talking about what's happening with Bitcoin and how he sees it rolling out. And then we recorded a short piece on Ripple, which isn't going to be on in today's video. But what I invite you to do is to subscribe, comment, like, and you can catch up on what's the story with Ripple as well. And also, please share this video. Not all, if you're watching this on YouTube, not all of this is going to be on YouTube because of the censorship. And what I request you do is come and support me on Odyssey, and there's the link up there. Enjoy.
Take the first step towards online privacy. Get NordVPN.
Get the Crypto.com Visa card. You can use this wherever Visa is accepted all over the world. Make sure you use my link to get a $25 bonus when you register. Link in the description below. Thank you so much for making yourself available. Saturday, the 14th of May, 2022, and the world gets more and more interesting with each passing week, with a lot, I think, happening over the next few weeks or so. And there's loads been going on in Europe. Yep. And we're going to be talking about Turkey and Finland and Russia and the Ukraine.
We're going to
and yeah,
we're just going to take the global tour and not leave our rooms, right? So it'll be great.
Yes, and the oil embargo, and was it all right? If you want to follow the rest of this conversation, then please come to my Odyssey channel. And this is because of the censorship on YouTube. You can go to Crypto Rich Odyssey, or you can find a link to the second part of this video in the description below. We were talking about how to rebuild before Amir and I came on, and I'm going to show you one way to rebuild, how you can start rebuilding your portfolio using the Osmosis ecosystem, and in particular, the opportunity of airdrops. Now, I'm going to go through this really quickly. One way to rebuild your portfolio or to build your portfolio is through airdrops. Now, I actually recorded this with Amir, but then I didn't save the recording, and now I'm doing it again to insert it in this video. But I cover the Cosmos projects quite a bit. So here's 3 airdrops that I got recently. So the snapshot date for this one, Fortis Economy, was 15th of December. And the minimum you had to have was 0.1 Juno. This was a fair drop, which means that regardless of how much you've got staked or delegated, whatever the qualifier is, everybody gets the same. So if you had 10 Juno or 100 Juno, you all got the same. All you had to have was 0.1 Juno. And how they're doing it is they're doing 20 weeks of airdrops of their token 5% FOT. Now, this was incredibly lucrative for me. In the first week and the second week, the amount that I got was equivalent of $400 worth of Juno. And in the last week, week 7, the 5% FOT that I got was worth 27 cents in Juno. And I've been staking it because the staking returns are really, really high. And I don't know how this is going to work out. I don't always follow all the projects because I end up with far too many projects. I focus on the ones that I'm interested in. Now, another airdrop was the Asset Mantle stake drop. And this was quite difficult because with this one, I had to do a quiz over many, many weeks. And then sometimes they ask you to vote on proposals. Sometimes they ask you to stake a little bit to get the rest. Asset Mantle's doing that. And they gave their stake drop, their airdrop, to holders of Atom, XPRT, Luna, Stars, Juno, and Comdex. And the more that you held, the more that you got. So this was an airdrop, whereas Fortis Economy was a fair drop. And then there's another type of airdrop, which was Bitsong. Bitsong, I didn't have to do anything. The Bitsong tokens just turned up in my Kepler wallet. Really, really great. Very, very easy. And what Bitsong are doing are creating a holistic ecosystem for music creators and also for their fans. Now, there are so many airdrops happening, so many. 2 of the main sites that I go to, one is cosmosairdrops.io, and this shows the one that are upcoming. So, for example, this one is claimable from the 8th of June crypto zone, Fortis Economy from the 14th of April, Obscure Finance from April 2020. So I should be able to claim it now, but I had a look at it. I couldn't work it out. And it's going to be airdropped to anybody who held more than 5 secret tokens staked in their Kepler wallet. Decenter, they haven't announced when they're doing it. There's also Senators, Quicksilver, so many. The other website that I use is Cosmos Pug. And here you can see, look, this one's Evmos is claimable, Raw is claimable, King is claimable. Cronus is confirmed. Claim date not confirmed. Coffee, rumors, ASVT, loads and loads of airdrops. Have a look at this. This is mapofzones.com. Let me just refresh the page because it has a nice little animation. And here they come. These are the projects that are active on IBC, part of the Cosmos ecosystem. And there's a total of 46. And they all connect and communicate with each other to some degree. Now, this is the test net. You'll see what's coming. 197 projects in development. Many of them will expand their ecosystem or will, do airdrops to existing token holders of the other projects. So this is a really great way, I think, of rebuilding any wealth that you may have lost in Luna. Don't put all your airdrops in one particular token. The ones that I think are likely to qualify for the most airdrops: Atom, Osmo, Secret, Juno, and possibly Evmos as well. And there may be more as they all roll out different functionalities. For example, Chihuahua are adding smart contract functionality. It's going to be a smart dog that offers high staking rewards. So what I've been doing with the airdrops, some of them I've converted to Atom or Osmo or Juno or Secret so I can compound some more, get more airdrops. Others I've held on to because the staking rewards or the LP rewards are so high. Now, I did a couple of videos, which I'll link to in the description below, which explain how you can get started in the Cosmos ecosystem and also how you can stake and how you can do farming. So it's certainly worth taking a look, especially when you consider the compounding effect, which means in the matter of months, you can go from a very small holding to a much, much larger holding. All right, that's it. I hope you found that useful. Between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. Amir, thank you so much. Look forward to speaking to you next week.
Thank you.
Comments, questions in the description below. All the best. Bye-bye.
Cheers.